obviously it's bad, but here's the thing. Here's why I'm on Team Cory Feldman, okay? Here's, legitimately, here's why I'm on board with him. For years, he was trying to talk about this stuff. This is from way back in 2020. He was trying to talk about this stuff, about all these like Hollywood creeps abusing kids and stuff like that, and everyone thought he was crazy, and everyone said that he was wrong. Everyone made fun of him and thought he was like a nut. And then it turns out he was actually right about all of it, because all the Epstein stuff came out, that there really was an island full of these rich, powerful people abusing children, that everyone laughed at him for it, right? They said he was crazy. Turns out he was right. And then all the stuff about Dan Schneider came out, the guy from Nickelodeon that would do all the weird shit. So this guy from Nickelodeon, Dan Schneider, who was one of the producers, put all this weird shit in all these kids shows. He'd make all these kids do these weird ass shit like this. Watch this. Right? Like what the fuck is this? These kids are like 15, and there's all kinds of stuff like this on all these kid shows. Yeah, lots of scenes with like feet and, you know, like sort of, you know, things that are reminiscent of like dicks and jizzing and stuff like that. A lot of like really disgusting stuff. Oh, now he claims he's being hunted by a wolf pack in Hollywood. Well, he probably is, to be honest, because here's the reason why I don't like this. Amanda Bynes is another example of this. Everyone laughed at her, you know, when she was having like a meltdown on Twitter and stuff like that. And then it turns out that a lot of like horrible things happened to her. And so, yeah, like this song is obviously terrible and he's obviously weird as hell. But why? Like, why do you think he's so weird? I don't know exactly what happened to him when he was a child actor, but I'd be willing to bet that it's horrible. And if any of this stuff happened to you, you would probably be pretty fucked up from it too. He never named names. Well, look, I don't know what did or didn't happen, but I'd be willing to bet that he probably saw and experienced some pretty horrible things. Yeah, Jeanette McCurdy, another one. So the point is that obviously I understand that this is not good. And I'm not saying that he's some sort of a saint himself, but I do think it kind of sucks that, you know, he was written off as like a lunatic and a laughingstock and all this stuff for so long, when in reality for years he was trying to tell people about stuff that ended up actually being true. So I say I'm on Team Cory Feldman. That's what I think. I'm on Team Cory Feldman. I say justice for Cory, and I will never laugh at you, Cory. I respect it.